Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. VLOOKUP using two sheets. Let us see how we can use VLOOKUP or vertical lookup using two sheets. We are in Home sheet and the data is in Data sheet. As our data to be searched is vertically aligned, that is, in column A we have ID and it goes down from 100 to 118, so we use VLOOKUP. Now by typing in customer ID, I want to retrieve the name, number of units, and the total amount. To do this, we need to use the VLOOKUP function 3 times, one in each of these required cells. This value is what we are searching for in column A. If I type in 102, it needs to give me GIL 27 539.73 in the 3 cells. So whenever I change the customer ID, I want it to return these 3 values into these 3 cells. Now let us start. In formulas, we go to the insert function, and when we have the VLOOKUP in the list of functions below, we can directly click there and click on OK. And in the lookup value, we want to select the cell where we are typing in the lookup value, which is E6 here. Notice towards the right side of each cell, we have the sample data that is being shown there. E6 currently has 102, it is being shown there. And the table array is in a different sheet. Let's click in the table array and go to the sheet where the data is and select the range. Now towards the right you can see the headings. If we want to return name, name is in the second column. And let us type 2 here. And in the bottom you can notice that it has returned the name GIL, which is correct. If we do something else, 4th column, it is giving us 27, but we need the name, hence we'll type 2 here. And in the range we want the exact match, so we will type in false. Clicking on OK will give us the name of the person where the customer ID has matched. Let us do it again. Clicking on Insert Functions in Formulas tab will show us the dialog box. We'll select the lookup value in E6. In Data, we'll select the table array, which is in the other sheet. And in the column index, we want to type in 4 to return the number of units. And in range lookup, we'll type false to ensure that we have an exact match. Now we have number of units written into this cell. In the case of total, let us do it manually by typing in the formula. Instead of using the insert function, we'll type in the formula. Starting with an equal sign, we type in VLOOKUP, open brackets. We have these parameters listed here. For the lookup value, we need E6, which we typed in comma. And for the table array, which is in the other sheet, we go and select all of the data and press comma. The total is in column 6. You can press comma and then type 6 for total. And then we type false for an exact match. Hitting enter or written will give us the total here, which is correct. If we change the customer ID to something else, it will change all these 3 cells to the exact match. 110 has hovered, 29 units, and $57.71, which is accurate. This is VLOOKUP using multiple sheets. To become an Excel expert in a few hours, check out the playlists on our channel. If you have liked the video, click like button below. Thank you for watching the video till the end.